Hello guys, welcome back to our summer series, still on smoothies. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make banana berry blasts. I love this recipe so much because it is packed with lots of yumminess. So for this recipe I'll be using about 2 cups of bananas, 1 cup of coconut that I just chopped into tiny bits. I'll be using this peak milk yogurt in strawberry flavor. I'll be using about 1 cup of strawberries. I have my glass cup and then my blender. I'm also going to be using this ice cream in vanilla flavor. So in my blender, I'm just going to be adding the coconut that I chopped. I'm going to be adding my bananas, my strawberries, and then I'll add my peak milk, my ice cream, and then I'm going to be blending this for about 2 minutes until it is smooth. I'm also going to be adding about half a cup of water just so to lighten it up so the coconut can blend well. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching. You are dearly loved. And if you want to know more about what I do, what Executive is all about, I recommend my first YouTube video. Go watch. You can just click on my link to know more about me. So I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon of powdered sugar. I prefer powdered sugar because it will blend easily. You can use granulated sugar if you want to, but this is just the best choice for me. Of course, I recommend it also. So I'm adding my leftover bananas that I chopped in my cup, and then I'm going to be pouring in some of those yummy smoothie that were just made. After that, I'll be topping with some coconut and strawberry. So guys, this recipe is super yummy. It is super yummy. You just need to try it out. I don't need to keep emphasizing on just how yummy this recipe is. Just give it a try and you will love it. It is so great. It is so tasty. Please don't forget to like, share, comment. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if you find this recipe helpful. Let me know if you are going to try out this recipe. And that is that, guys. I'm just garnishing with some strawberries. And look how beautiful this looks. And of course, inviting. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next video.